guys, welcome back to the class. So in this class we are solving questions. So let's see how to solve this given question. Let's find the equations of the straight line which passes through the points 1, minus 1 and 5, minus 3. So we're having 2 points. So the formula to use is y minus y1 equals to y2 minus what? y1 over x2 minus x1 in brackets x minus x1. So of which the points we are having this to be x1, y1, x2, y2. So we have y, now we're having y minus y1. y1 is minus 1 equals to y2 is minus 3 minus y1, we are having minus 1 over s2 is 5 minus x1, which is 1, brackets x minus x1, which is what? 1. So we have y minus times minus, we have plus 1 equals to minus 3 plus 1 over 5 minus 1 bracket x minus 1. So we have y plus 1 equals to minus 2 over 3 over 4 minus 2 over 4 to bracket x minus 1. So this we cut this, we have y plus 1 equals to minus 1 over 2 to bracket x minus 1. So y plus 1, if we expand this, we have minus 1 over 2x, or we can solve this way as well. I prefer this way. So this is minus, this means minus into bracket x minus 1 over 2. So we cross multiply, we're having 2y, 2 into bracket y plus 1 equals to minus, if we expand this, we have minus x plus 1. So we have expand this, we're having 2y plus 2 equals to minus x plus 1. So 2x minus x come here, we have plus x equals to 1 minus 2. So you're having 2y plus x is equals to what? Minus 1. So that gives the equation. Thanks for watching this video. In the next class, we'll move into another part. See you.